Alright, in making Izal, you have to first of all get the chemicals. This is called the carbolic acid, which is the number one item, and followed by lithium. So you have to get those things together, and this is called the concentrate. And we have the booster, which is this. We have the booster. So you have to get all the chemicals before you can use, and this is called the phenol. And we also have the pine oil, but this is called the texapon. This right here is called the texapon, and this is called the whitener. So after you've gotten all those chemicals, what you do is you measure the exact quantity of water required and add the carbolic acid and mix it for about 2 minutes. Okay, get your carbolic acid and mix it inside the required water that you want to use, the quantity of water you want to use. And after getting the carbolic acid, you mix it thoroughly for about 2 minutes. You make sure you mix it thoroughly for about 2 minutes. Now after mixing the carbolic acid, the step 2 is that you add your lithium, your phenol, your pine oil, and texapon together in a separate container. You add your lithium, your phenol, your pine oil, and your texapon in a separate container and mix it very well. And after you mix it, you add into the mixture and stir properly. You add it together with the carbolic acid and you mix it very well. You stir it together. Okay, so don't forget, the step 2 is adding your lithium and your phenol, pine oil, and texapon together in a separate container. Make sure you put them in a separate container. Mix it very well, as you can see here, mixing it very well. So after mixing it, you add it to your carbolic acid, which is this. After adding it to your carbolic acid, you stir it again so it can mix together with the carbolic acid. So you stir it for some time. When you've mixed it very well, step 3 is add your concentrate and booster in a container and mix it also very well. So that's step 3. Making Izal, you add your concentrate and your booster and mix it very well. Don't forget to mix it very well. After that, then you add them together to the already made carbolic acid and the lithium, phenol, pine oil, and texapon. So you add together your concentrate and your booster and mix it very well. So after you've mixed your concentrate and booster together, you add to the carbolic acid. You mix it again very well. Remember that your carbolic acid is together already with your lison, your phenol, pine oil, and hexapon. So after adding it, you mix it very well, which is the step 3. Mix it very well. You stir it very well. Let them mix together. And the next thing after that, you add your whitener, which is the last step, step 4. You add your whitener, and the whitener is what gives the color. Okay, so you add the whitener and mix it for probably for about 5 minutes, and after this, then your product is ready. You have your Izal. So you add your whitener and mix it properly for 5 minutes. Mix it properly for about 5 minutes, and after mixing it properly for about 5 minutes, so after mixing it for about 5 minutes, you add together and mix it very well. Mix it very well, and after this, your package, your product is ready for packaging, and you can start using it either at home or you package it for sale. So this is how you can, simple step of how you can make your Izal at home, right? And please don't forget to share this video, and also to let us know where you're watching from and what you want us to produce next. Okay.